Hello grade 7 students. Today, in this lesson, we are going to talk about two parallel lines cut by transversal. As you see in the given shape, 8 angles are made up by two parallel lines and one transversal. And there are some relationships between them. Okay, now let's talk about properties of these angles. Before starting, we need to know means of some names. For example, interior means between these two parallel lines. Exterior means outside the lines. When we say alternate, it means having opposite side of the transversal. Let's start from alternate interior angles. They should be between the lines and opposite sides of the transversal. As you see in the shape, angles 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 alternate interior angles. When we check the question given below, C and 120 alternate interior angles, and we can write that C is equal to 120. Let's go on with alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles should be outside two parallel lines, also opposite sides of transversal. So in this shape, 1 and 2, also 3 and 4 alternate exterior angles. In the given question, we can find x using alternate exterior angles. When you move 6x from here to here, also this angle will be 6x, and 3x plus 6x is equal to 180 because they are supplementary angles. So we can write 9x 180 and x is equal to 20. Now let's talk about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles should be on the same side of transversal. Also, one of them in the interior, the other one on the exterior, and they are not adjacent to each other. In the shape, we can understand that 1 and 2, 7 and 8, 4 and 3, 5 and 6 angles are corresponding angles. So corresponding means having the same direction on the shape. In the question given below, we can understand that B and 131 have the same direction in the shape. It means that B is equal to 131. In this page, let's talk about co-interior angles. In the given shape, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 co-interior angles, and we can say that they are supplementary angles. It means that the sum of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is equal to 180. So, in the question given below, we can understand that f and 59 supplementary angles, co-interior angles, and the sum of f and 59 is equal to 180. When you subtract 59 from 180, you can find 121. This is the measurement of f. When you check two parallel lines cut by transversal, you can see lots of supplementary angles. For example, 1 and 2, 5 and 6 supplementary angles in the shape. Using this property, let's solve the question given below. For example, in this question, n plus 77 is equal to 180 because they are supplementary angles. When you write n plus 77 is equal to 180, and when you subtract 77 from 180, you can find 103. This is the measurement of n. After finding measurement of n, easily we can find measurement of m because we know that m and n alternate interior angles and their measurements are equal to each other. We can write m and n equal to each other, and m is equal to 103. In this lesson, we talked about two parallel lines cut by transversal. Wish you good luck for rest of them.